So today I am cooking pumpkin brown stew fish. Here in the pot I have some onions, some bell peppers, garlic and thyme. I have just finished browning the fish on both sides. So I've poured off some of the oil and leave a small amount to saute the pumpkin along with the onions and the bell peppers and the rest of seasoning. After which I will pour some water. So I will continue to mix or stir the vegetables and the seasoning, the thyme and everything until water to cook the onion. It has sauteed. I will add some water. Mainly the pumpkin and the Irish. After adding the water, guys, I will add some. I will stir. Then I will add some cock soup. Cock soup gives it a lovely spicy flavor. But I will sieve the cock soup because I really need just the powdery part and not the noodle part of the cock soup. After which I will add some Maggi season all purpose. After adding the Maggi all purpose season, I will stir the pot and ensure it is distributed all over. It gives a lovely flavor also. After which here I have some plantains and some ripe plantains and rice and peas cooking that I'm gonna serve with my pumpkin fish. After the pumpkin and the vegetables have cooked to some extent, I will add the fish and allow it to cook down. It's not gonna take long since I browned it already. After adding the fish and turning them on both sides, allowing it to cook for a few minutes. The fish is ready, and this is what it looks like, guys. Remember to like and subscribe.